Hello students, this video is the continuation of practice questions on sacrifice ratio and new profit sharing ratio. So in the previous video, I have already solved 4 questions, question A, B, C and D. So in this video, I am starting from question E. Okay. Now, what is given in this question? C and D are partners sharing profits and loss in the ratio 5:3. So, these details are given to us. Old ratio of old partner, that is C and D, is 5:3. So, this we can write it as 5/8 and 3/8. Then what else is given? They admit A. Now A is a new partner here. So they admit A into partnership and the new profit sharing ratio agreed is to be 4:3:2. So in this question, they have already given us new profit sharing ratio of all the 3 partners now. C, D and A. A is a new partner here. So they have given us new profit sharing ratio as 4:3:2. So 4 plus 3 plus 2 comes to 9. So this we can write it as 4/9, 3/9 and 2/9. So when we have with us old ratio and new profit sharing ratio, we can apply the formula, that is sacrifice ratio is equal to old ratio minus new profit sharing ratio. Now we'll calculate it for the old partners because only the old partners are sacrificing the share here. C and D are old partners. Okay. So old ratio of C is 5/8 and D is 3/8 minus new profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio of C is 4/9 and D is 3/9. Now we have to make the denominator equal. So what I will do here, I will multiply 9 for this denominator and here I will multiply with this number, that is 8. Similarly, here also I will multiply with 8. Here also I will multiply with 9. Similarly, here to make this denominator equal, here I will multiply with the opposite number, that is 9. And here I will multiply with this number, that is 8. Okay. Now, 8 nines are 72. 5 nines are 45. 4 eights are 32. 8 nines are 72. 3 nines are 27. 3 eights are 24. 45 minus 32 comes to 13/72 and this comes to 3/72. That means sacrifice ratio of old partner is 13:3. Okay, this is problem number E. It is very easy problem. Old ratio is given, new profit sharing ratio is given. Apply this formula and you calculate the sacrifice ratio. We'll go to the next question. Question F. Okay. What is given here? Amar and Pritam are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3:2. So Amar and Pritam are old partners and their profit sharing ratio is given to us. That is, old ratio is given to us. That is, Amar and Pritam. So it is given as 3:2. So this we can write it as 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 5. They admitted Mario as a new partner for 1/4 share. So Mario is a new partner now. Share of new partner, that is Mario, is 1 upon 4. Now apart from this, what else they had given to us? Which he gets equally from Amar and Pritam. That means what they have told us over here, that Mario is getting 1 upon 4 share, that is the share of a new partner. Mario is getting 1 upon 4 share in future profits because Amar has sacrificed and Pritam has sacrificed equally to give this 1 upon 4 share to the new partner. I'm repeating it again. Amar and Pritam has sacrificed equal share in order to give this share to the new partner. So, share sacrificed by old partner is given to us, that is, we can write it equally, meaning we can write it as 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2. 1:1, that means 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2. So this is share sacrificed by Amar, this is share sacrificed by Pritam. Now this is not a sacrifice ratio. If you don't understand which is a sacrifice ratio, when we have to calculate the sacrifice ratio, then you can substitute this in the formula. This is wrong actually, okay, but still I want to show you all why that is not, why this we cannot take as a sacrifice ratio directly. So what they have asked us in the question to calculate new profit sharing ratio. Okay, so new profit sharing ratio is equal to old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. Now in this case, let's just assume that this is a sacrifice ratio. Actually, it is not a sacrifice ratio. We have to calculate sacrifice ratio. But I'm just trying to show you here why this is not a sacrifice ratio. Okay, let's take for Amar first and then for Pritam. I'll quickly substitute this as per the formula. Old share of Amar is 3 upon 5, Pritam is 2 upon 5 minus sacrifice ratio of Amar is 1 upon 2, Pritam is 1 upon 2. Now to make this equal, here I can multiply with 5 and this side I have to multiply with 2. Okay. So the denominator is equal now 10 here also, 10 here also. Okay, 3 2s are 6 minus 5 1s are 5, 2 2s are 4 minus 5 1s are 5. So here I am getting an answer in positive, but here I am getting answer in negative. So when you are getting this negative answer, that means you should understand that this method is not the correct method. So this is not our sacrifice ratio. So you have to calculate the sacrifice ratio and then you can come to this formula. A similar problem I have already explained to you all. Okay, in the first 4 problems that I have taken on sacrifice ratio and new profit sharing ratio. Okay, so now here let's calculate. This is wrong. This method is not correct because here we are getting answer in negative. So now let's calculate sacrifice ratio first. Sacrifice ratio is equal to, okay, now which formula can we apply over here to calculate the sacrifice ratio? See, we have with us old ratio, we have with us share of a new partner, and we have with us share sacrificed by old partner. So this definitely we cannot apply. Okay, we have with us share of a new partner and share sacrificed by old partner. So we can apply this ratio. Okay, this ratio we will apply only when that two word you will get. So when the fractions are given and the two word is given soon after the fraction, then we can apply this formula. That is not this problem here. So we have to take this formula, share of a new partner multiply by share sacrificed by old partner. Okay, I will take this formula, share of new partner multiply by share sacrificed by old partner. Okay, now applying this formula, we have to calculate the sacrifice ratio first. So let's calculate for Amar and then for Pritam. Share of a new partner is how much? 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4. What is given here? Multiply. Multiply with share sacrificed by old partner. How much share old partners are sacrificing? Equal here in this case. So 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2. Since multiply sign is there, we can directly multiply this numerator with the other numerator, denominator with other denominator. So 1 is to 1. 1 into 1 is 1. 4 twos are 8. Here 1 into 1 is 1. 4 twos are 8. So here also we got it as equally only, but this was not the sacrifice ratio. This is the sacrifice ratio which we want in actual fraction form. 1 is to 1 upon 8. Okay. So now we can calculate new profit sharing ratio applying this formula which we have applied over here. But now what we have done, we have calculated the sacrifice ratio. Here this was the share sacrifice by old partner. This is not the sacrifice ratio. Okay, that is old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. So we'll calculate for the first partner, then for the second partner, and then we'll go to the new partner who has been added here. So what is the old ratio of Amar? 3 upon 5. Old ratio of Pritam? 2 upon 5 minus sacrifice ratio which we got over here for Amar is 1 upon 8 and for Pritam also 1 upon 8. Okay, now we have to cross multiply here again to get the denominator equal. Okay, so here I can multiply 5 and this side I can multiply this opposite number, that is 8. Similarly over here I am multiplying with this opposite number, that is 8. Here I am multiplying with this opposite number, that is 5. So 3 8s are 24 minus 1 into 5, 5. 8 5s are 40. Again here 8 5s are 40. 8 2s are 16 minus 1 into 5, 5. Okay. So 24 minus 5, you will get 19 upon 40, and 16 minus 5, you will get 11 upon 40. Out of 40 parts, 19 parts are going to Amar. 40 parts out of remaining parts, 11 parts are going to Pritam. And what about the new partner? Who is the new partner here? Mario. Okay. So Mario, how much share they were giving to the Mario? Share of a new partner, that is 1 upon 4. So Mario was given 1 upon 4, right? So now we want to make the denominator of Mario also equal with this denominator that we got for Amar and Pritam. So if we multiply here by 10, we will get the denominator equal with this denominator. So 4 into 10, 40, 10 into 1, 10. That means new profit sharing ratio is equal to 19 is to 11 is to 10. Okay. Other way also you can find out how we are getting this 10 is take 40 as the base minus 19 minus 11. You will get 10 as your answer. Okay, so this is not the correct method. I have just taken this to understand why we are not taking this as sacrifice ratio over here, because we are not getting the exact fraction over here. So we have to calculate the sacrifice ratio using this formula, and that sacrifice ratio we will substitute here in the new profit sharing ratio. Okay, then we will take one last problem under this topic. Suraj and Neeraj are partners sharing profits in the ratio 5:3. So here they have given us old ratio of Suraj and Neeraj, that is 5:3. So what is given to us in the problem? Old ratio, that is of Suraj and Neeraj, 5:3. So this we can write it as 5 upon 8 and 3 upon 8. Then what else is given? Viraj was admitted for 1/4 share in future profit. So share of new partner, who is a new partner here? Viraj. How much share they are giving him in future? 1 upon 4. Okay. Which he entirely gets from Suraj. Now sacrifice, okay, sacrifice done by only one partner here to give that share to the new partner. So what is given here? Which he entirely gets from Suraj. There are two old partners, right? But only Suraj is sacrificing his share to give this to Viraj. Okay. So how much share Suraj must be sacrificing? Who is sacrificing this share? Suraj. How much is given to Viraj here? 1 upon 4. That means that much share is being sacrificed by Suraj. Okay. So when this three information is given, you can, here it is directly told to us that sacrifice done by only one partner, that is Suraj. That means this is a sacrifice ratio. Okay. So this we can directly substitute in the formula and calculate new profit sharing ratio of all the partners. So new profit sharing ratio is equal to, we have with us old ratio. So old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. Okay. So Suraj is only doing the sacrifice over here. Okay. I'll tell how to substitute over here. Old ratio is how much of Suraj? 5 upon 8. Neeraj is 3 upon 8 minus sacrifice ratio. Only Suraj is doing sacrifice over here, because what is written over here? Viraj was admitted for 1/4 share in future profits. That means they have given Viraj 1/4 share in future profit, which he entirely gets from Suraj. So Suraj is only doing sacrifice in this problem. Neeraj is not doing any sacrifice to give the share to the new partner. Okay, so here only I will write 1 upon 4. Here I will write 0, because Neeraj is not doing any sacrifice over here. Okay, then to make this denominator equal, I can multiply here with 2. The denominator will become equal now. Okay, 8, 5 minus 2, that is 3 upon 8. Okay, here this will remain 3 upon 8 minus 0 will be 3 upon 8. Okay, then we have to calculate also for the new partner now, that is Suraj. Suraj is our new partner, because here the fraction was given as 1 upon 4, but if you see the denominator of this two old partners, the new profit sharing ratio of this old partners was 8 and 8 as a denominator. So we have to make the denominator of new partner also same as these two partners. So if I multiply here with 2, okay, I will get 8 as a denominator. So 2 ones are 2, 4 twos are 8. So now the denominator of all the three partner is same. So new profit sharing ratio is equal to 3:3:2. If you don't want to do it in this way, you can do it in other way also. That is, take the denominator as 8. From 8 you minus 3 shares given to Suraj, minus remaining 3 shares were given to Neeraj. So how many shares are remaining? 2. If you minus like this, you will get the same answer. Okay, in this way also you can find out how much share is given to Suraj, that is the new partner. Okay, I hope you have understood all the problems that we have done so far on sacrifice ratio and new profit sharing ratio. If you have any doubt, please contact me. Thank you, students.